eat those. These clothes, they free though. Straight from the back of the Supreme stove. Don't give a fuck about these hoes, they just slob knob in New York shows. Thirsty for the clips till I'm not flow. Pushing Georgia trip, bitch,
Cause someone pulled a freaking fire alarm, and I don't know what their problem is. You eating that sandwich? How you feeling, Michael? See, I'm telling you, Sahuaro's kind of trapped. So that story ain't lying, huh? That story ain't lying. Send news. What's up, gang? They want us to share the shade. They want us to share the shade. Bro, what you guys feel about this fucking fire alarm, huh?
Yo, I hope it fucking fires. Did Daniel throw his album at the wall? What happened?
Yo, hey guys, it's Rachel. We're back with the Papo Davey Show.
Oh, it's Abby. Abby. Oh, we can't see your toes today. God.
See mine.
Nigga, what?
It's lit.
Yeah.
It's lit.
I ate it all. Fuck.
I'm sick of this.
Why does Sahuaro do this to us?
This is my fucking man.
So right now we're supposed to be at lunch and we're out here.
No.
I just want to eat lunch!
Dude, my lunch is in my bag.
Why are you guys throwing food at me? Fuck! What do you guys feel about, how do you guys feel about this, man?
Bullshit,
We're supposed to be eating lunch right now.
I'm supposed to be eating my burgers and my processed chicken with Popeyes.
How many degrees do you think? I check my watch.
It's about skin 30 right now, but they're so famous. Wait. Hey Dakota, is it the Papo?
Yeah.
What's
the
up?
Deep Papo.
Hey, how do you feel about this fire alarm, bro? Like, this
Boring
one-
as shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna be in it?
Huh? Hell yeah.
Alright, for sure.
Oh shit. Get the fuck
What are you wearing, bro?
That ketchup?
It's for a costume. No!
Yes, I am.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Papo David!
Hi.
What's up, gang?
If there's an actual fire and you don't die trying to get the pump.
You guys pissed me!
Alexia.
David pissed his pants.
Oh no, I pissed my pants.
This is an update on the situation. They found smoke in the 300 building. I think my suspicion is that Nash set off a bomb.
Nash left off a bomb?
I think Nash set off a bomb in the 300 building, and that's
I think there's an actual fire right now.
Miss Echo's burning the.
Guess who's not here right now? Nash. Wanted and Muhammad, if you're watching this, I swear, if you left off one of those bombs, it is the end for you, buddy. Dude, it's so hot. I'm just trying to eat.
I'm about to sue this school.
Dude, it's like, the lunch is already over. So what are we gonna do?
I'm suing. You in?
So we're trying to find Nash, but you calling Nash?
One time I was walking home. What?
He's not answering.
Is it really fire?
See that? We're calling Nash.
You're what?
Who the fuck started the fire? I'll fight you right now!
You got jumped yesterday, bro?
I got jumped, yeah.
But you're okay.
I'm okay, I'm great.
Just
Just cut, black eyes.
How do you feel about this fire?
It's pretty whack, bro.
Wait, don't put me in it. Don't put me in it.
Yeah. I mean, it's alright. We're just standing out here. I mean, we're not in class. Like,
Oh, so y'all?
yeah, we're good. So we're missing fourth period.
Right now, we have first lunch, so.
His name is Papo Davey.
Cloud token. Cloud token. Cloud token. There you go. I'm handing out. Everyone, move out the way. Jesus. Y'all can't sue me for the back of your head, so. Oh, all this fire alarm.
I think it's unnecessary.
Unnecessary, huh?
It's so dumb.
It better be a real fire, huh?
I was eating my sandwich and then it just went off. What do you think about that?
I think this is some bullshit, because I was just trying to take a shit.
Fucking sent us out into the 100-degree weather, ruined our entire lunch.
Hey, now we.
Yeah, I mean now we are fucking lunch is continuing. You know how it is. All thanks to Papo Davey. He went to the principal. He asked for it personally.
Oh yeah, you already know. We're back
Hey
now.
guys, we survived the fire alarm. Get to us, but it might have gotten AJ's girl.
We survived. You weren't the one that pulled the bombs off? That son in Arizona.
Boot gang, whole lot of gang shit.
I'm ready to go home.
Hey, how you guys feel about this bullshit fire alarm?
Man, fuck that phone on boot gang shit.
Number one.
are you?
Fuck you. Fucking. Pablo David has the most clout in this fucking school. Bet on that shit.
I date the Zan trying to tell you something. I came in with a cool heart.